Okay, student, in previous class we discussed food component. So, what are the food component? Carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, as well as fat. In previous class we discussed carbohydrate and proteins. We discuss here fat. So, mainly the fat is oil in nature. Oil in nature. So what is the use of this fat? What is the use of this fat? No, fat substance gives energy to the body. So carbohydrates gives energy like a fat, and fat gives energy like a carbohydrate, but fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. Fat contains substance gives more energy than carbohydrates. Fats are oil in substance. Where did you find fat? Definitely you can find milk, butter and puri bhaji. Say yes or no? So after eating the food, suppose your hand is oily, what do you find? The food substance contain fat, definitely the fat. Meat, after eat the meat, no, your hand became oil. After eating the puri, became oil. So do you confirm that? Definitely you confirm that the substance is contained fat. That's why fat is oil in nature. So how do you confirm fat present in the substance? So take the example for groundnut. So groundnut seeds. So do the lab activity. So lab activity, what you want to do? So for example, aim, material requirement, procedure, observation and report you have to remember now. And here aim is to confirm presence of fat in groundnut seeds. What are the material required? Groundnut is required, and piece of paper is required, and mortar and vessel. Procedure. So what do you want to do? Take the groundnut seed, keep in the mortar and vessel, and mix it or crush it. After crushing, this paste of the groundnut seed, keep on the piece of the paper. Actually, piece of the paper is opaque in nature. So opaque is nothing but does not allow light passes through it. After keeping the paste of the groundnut seed, it became translucent or transparent. So substance are three types. One is opaque, translucent and transparent. So this translucent and transparent is indicate that the food item, the food substance contain fat. Like this you want to confirm the fat. So one is carbohydrate, protein as well as fat. And next one is minerals. Minerals and vitamins. So what are the minerals? Minerals and vitamins. So minerals and vitamins are helpful for growth of the body organs. For a healthy person, definitely is required minerals and vitamins also required for healthy person. If you are eating good at minerals and vitamins, definitely you are the healthy persons. So we see some examples for the minerals here. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral element. Symbol is Ca. Calcium. And what is the use of this calcium? Suppose calcium is not there in the food, what will happen? Calcium is maintain the maintenance of the bones as well as teeth. Is maintaining strong bones as well as teeth. There is no calcium. What will happen? The bones and teeth weak. What do you want to do? You consume milk. If you take milk properly and meat, if you consume, definitely you are good at. You have strong bones as well as teeth, calcium. Next one, iron. Iron is a Fe. So many people are suffering with the loss of iron. So lack of iron. The lack of iron is called as anemia. Anemia. So what is the function of this iron? No. The iron function is the production of blood and transfer of oxygen from one organ to another organ. The main function of iron is the production of blood. There is no iron, became anemia. Anemia అంటే బ్లడ్ అనేది బాడీలో తక్కువగా ఉండడం. సో ఈ అనిమియా పేషెంట్స్ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, వెజిటేబుల్స్ అనేది బాగా తినాలి. గ్రీన్ లీఫ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్. సో ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఐరన్, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్? అనిమియా అనేది వస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్? ఫర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ production of the blood and transfer of oxygen. And sodium symbol is Na. This is one of the mineral. It helps retains water in our the body. మన బాడీలో వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఉండడానికి ఈ సోడియం అనేది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. అయోడిన్, వన్ మోర్ అయోడిన్. ద సింబల్ ఆఫ్ అయోడిన్ ఈజ్ ఐ. అండ్ దిస్ అయోడిన్ సెక్రీట్ థైరాయిడ్ హార్మోన్. Secretion of thyroid hormone in our body. Iodine is element. But lack of iodine లేదనుకోండి ఏమొస్తుంది? గాయిటర్. సో గాయిటర్ అనే డిసీజ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ద డెఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ అయోడిన్ ఈజ్ గాయిటర్ డిసీజ్. వేర్ ద అయోడిన్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. ఎక్కడ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది అయోడిన్ అనేది? డెఫినెట్గా అయోడైడ్ సాల్ట్ and seafood. And one more element also is there, phosphorus. Phosphorus also maintain and health of bone and health of teeth. So these are the minerals. So what are the minerals? Calcium, iron, sodium, iodine as well as phosphorus. So like this you have to remember. Next, vitamins. For vitamins, so in school, no government school providing, so weekly iron folic acid supplementation program. Weekly iron folic acid supplementation. This is a program was launched in 2012. So in program weekly iron folic acid supplementation scheme was launched in 2012. So the program యొక్క మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ టు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టూడెంట్కి ఐరన్ ట్యాబ్లెట్ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. సో డ్యూ టు ఐరన్ ట్యాబ్లెట్ we can avoid anemia. Anemia అంటే ఏంటి? బ్లడ్ కండిషన్, బ్లడ్ అనేది తక్కువగా ఉండడాన్ని అనిమియా అంటాం. ఫర్ దిస్ we are avoiding the anemia, weekly iron folic acid provided iron tablet. Okay, next vitamins. So vitamins are two types. One is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In water soluble vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin B complex. Can say B complex. In B complex, vitamin B1, B2, so B5, B6, B12 like this. That's why B complex. And vitamin C. Fat soluble. What are the fat solubles? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. So these are the vitamins given in your syllabus. So let us discuss vitamin C. What is the use of this vitamin C? Where it is available? Of lack of vitamin C, what will happen? So vitamin C is maintain skin and teeth, good healthy skin is maintain healthy skin and teeth, and most of the vitamin C available in citrus fruits. What are the citrus fruits? Lemon, orange. Those are the citrus fruits. And this B complex. So what about vitamin C? Suppose the deficiency of vitamin C, what will happen? Okay. In vitamin, two types. One is fat soluble and second one is water soluble. In water soluble vitamins are vitamin C and B complex. Why we are calling as B complex is nothing but B1, B2, B4, B5 and B6 and B12 also is there. Let us discuss vitamin C. Mostly the vitamin C is contain ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is organic acid. Is contain organic nothing but vitamin C is contain carbon as well as hydrogen. So is organic acid. Which organic acid present in the vitamin C? No, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid present in vitamin C. So what is the function of the vitamin C? Vitamin C maintain healthy skin and healthy of teeth. Suppose the deficiency, what will happen? The deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy. Scurvy is a disease. Scurvy is nothing but there is no health of teeth and skin. And vitamin C are available in the citrus fruits. What are the citrus fruits? Tell me. Lemon, orange, no? Citrus fruits. This is about the vitamin C. And let us B complex. So what are the uses of the B complex? Is utilize the production of the blood. So B12 actually is present in the iron tablet. So what is the use of iron tablet? For loss of anemia. Loss of anemia is nothing but blood తక్కువ ఉన్న పర్సన్ని అనిమియా పేషెంట్స్ అంటాము. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు? పిహెచ్ ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్స్ అండ్ వర్కర్స్ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఐరన్ ట్యాబ్లెట్ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఐరన్ ట్యాబ్లెట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వీక్లీ iron folic acid supplementation. This scheme was launched in 2012. So 2012 లో ఈ స్కీమ్ ని లాంచ్ చేశారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ W? వీక్లీ ఐరన్ ఫోలిక్ యాసిడ్ సప్లిమెంటేషన్. సో ఈ స్కీమ్ వల్ల ఏంటంటే పిహెచ్ ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్స్ and workers. So ASHA workers, ANMs, what is this? And 1 to first class to intermediate students. For first class to intermediate students, they want to give the iron tablet for to avoid the anemia. So anemia patient